Hi, Kevin with FasTrax again here, and we have a 1954 Corvette. Tell us about your car.
Well, I've had it for 43 years. I bought it because I think it's a work of art, more than buying it because it's a Corvette. But I did spend 3 months in the United States just researching old vets. I was looking for late 50s, something with some horsepower. Every vet shop that I went to had pictures of all the models ever made, and they had pictures of these, and they always were 1953-4-5. And every owner said, if you could even find one with all the parts, buy it. And I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I've had it ever since. And kept it exactly as, it looks exactly as the day I bought it.
Right. And this is all original paint, like we said before.
Everything, yeah.
So all original.
Original powertrain.
No modification. It's not a resto mod.
No,
This is all
this
factory.
is an absolute survivor.
Absolutely great. An original red and black interior.
Yes, and it has the original black roof, which is rare because they were all tan in '54. And I don't think it's done because it's an old canvas with the angle iron framing and stuff. The seats should be red. They've been replaced, but the old seats were vinyl. These are leather.
Okay.
So I just left it as is. I'm not a purist about it.
Right.
Yeah.
Excellent. And you drive it on a regular basis?
Whenever I can in the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah. It never sees rain or snow, of course.
Of course. And it drives, again, we're talking about how it drives.
Yeah,
and it drives amazing, which is great.
And it runs beautiful, yeah.
And reliable, which...
Yes, absolutely.
You always hear people talk about classic cars, how unreliable they are. You know, I talk to people with, 61, 62, saying, you don't want to take them on long trips, reasons.
Yeah.
And you're saying this one drives no problem.
It's been an absolutely incredible car. It really has. Very reliable, fun to drive. What can I say? My kids love it. My grandson now loves it.
Pass it down, right?
Yeah.
So now you've always wanted this specific Corvette, or is
No.
it just
No. I came across it and I bought it.
Yeah.
I gave him what he was asking.
Right.
Yeah.
And he says out of Calgary, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's from Ohio.
Okay, so it's an American car, yeah?
Yeah, it's got the original parking stickers on the windshield. I never took those off either.
Yeah.
And I tried to trace it back to find the owner without any luck, but maybe there's another way to do that.
Well, hopefully this channel you'll see it and you'll be able to
wouldn't
say,
that be something?
Get in contact with you. So if you know somebody who knows the original owner of this car back in Ohio,
Norwood,
please,
Ohio.
Sorry?
Norwood, Ohio.
Norwood, Ohio. If you know somebody in Norwood, Ohio who may have had this 54 Corvette, let's get in contact with us. And I'll put some details in link below as how to get a hold of myself. And then I'll put you in touch with the owner, and we'll try and find out who the original owner of this car was.
Here's a parking permit. I tried to find Stanroy Realty, but I don't know if they're still in existence. I don't think so. But
all right. Well, we'll try and track him down for you.
That'd be incredible.
Yeah.
That'd be incredible.
And you say you open up the doors from the inside, right? There is no outside door handles.
Yeah, it's even got the courtesy lights. You can't see them right now. It runs as beautiful as it looks. It's all fiberglass. What can I tell you about everything is stock in it? It's the standard 235 cubic inch Chevy, 3 single barrel side draft Carters, a split manifold for the dual exhaust, a little bit of a different camshaft in the 53s, and what else can I tell you? It's one of the unique features of this car is the tachometer. Not only registers how many RPMs, but how many hundreds of thousands of RPM on the engine.
Oh,
I was very ahead of its time back then, and
absolutely.
a Wonderbar radio. At the time, there was 2 options: the Wonderbar radio and the little light in the center column for the emergency brake.
Right.
And so she's fully equipped.
That's it.
Both options.
Every option available. And beautiful white. Is it original paint or?
Yes.
They're all original paint.
Yeah. Original
Very
side
rare.
curtains are in the trunk in their original oilskin bags.
Yeah.
That it came in. They're sliding plexiglass. So you can put your hand inside to open the door.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Very rare to see something this original.
Yeah, it's
today.
It's a favorite at all car shows, especially older guys. They appreciate the patina. It's been kept original.
Yeah.
I get a lot of handshakes on that.
Absolutely. Nothing like repainting a car that doesn't need to be repainted, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
George Moyer said he would never talk to me the rest of his life if I painted it. So
That's important. So, and white walls as well.
yeah,
How's it finding white walls for that?
I put those on about 30 years ago. I bought them at George Moyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're holding up amazingly well. No cracks, whatever. The old bias ply. So when you're driving it, it follows the road, right?
Yep.
No power steering, no check engine light,
Yep.
no power brakes, no power anything.
You have to be a man to drive it.
Powered by Armstrong.
Yeah. Powered by Armstrong. Anything special about driving the car? What was it like?
No, it's just it's delicate. It's 69 years old.
Yeah.
You know, and Edmonton streets are notoriously bad with potholes and things, so you really feel it on that. And so you just baby it. There's a certain technique in starting it.
Yep.
It when you park it, it percolates and gets hot. Maybe that was common back then.
Right.
I've had a lot of Chevys in my life, and this has been the most reliable one.
Really? That's excellent. Good to know.
Yeah. Yeah, every part that's ever had to be replaced with the original part was taken out, rebuilt, and put back in.
Excellent. So definitely a very fantastic car. It's in beautiful original shape, like I said, which is uncommon today. Everybody's restoring them and painting them,
And they don't drive them; they trailer them to a car show. I drive this.
Yeah, which is important.
Yeah.
You own a car like this, you want to enjoy them, right? You want to drive them.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a
You know,
pleasure to drive.
I understand not driving it in the winter time, but
of course.
still, I mean, in the nice days,
Yeah.
enjoy your car. It's why you own it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so very much for your
very
time. I
welcome.
appreciate it.